Hey, what's up with it, everybody? It's Babito G, back with another one. Hope you guys having a good weekend so far. I did play Alcatraz tournament yesterday or last night, so let's go ahead and see what we got in the loadout. Wait, let's check the mail, see if we got anything in the mailbox. Nothing in the mailbox, okay. Alright, let's open up all this stuff. Might as well finish this out. Ooh. $12. Okay. Yes, more camo crates. Alright, we got 6 more. I'm about to go check. Oh, damn, we already got. Oh, okay. So we finished that already. Okay. Let's go check camos then. 1,044. Yeah, it's gonna be a long way to 2,000. But we trying. We trying. We still gotta get diamond guns and golden guns and stuff like that. And I'm actually using a sniper. Can you believe that? Using a sniper rifle. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all that little opening. We'll be back with some more a little bit later. But we out for now. Babito G. We out of there.